Yes, 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 imagine with me. It's magic when you can imagine with me. Yes, 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 play along with me. So come on, get ready, and 1, 2, 3. I'm the dentist queen. We're the thief. Chomp, 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 chomp. Please, come in my cleaning castle. Please. Chomp, 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 chomp. Time to make you shiny and sparkly with my vroom tool. Thank you, Lulu. That's my unicorn helper. Vroom. Oh, no. Oh, Huh? It may sound scary, but don't worry, it won't hurt. Ooh, that tickles. Okay, Two-Face, you're sparkly warkly now. Wow! Thanks, Dentist Bella. Come back soon. Chomp, chomp, chomp.
Cody!
Huh?
Ready for your dentist visit?
Coming, Mommy. Thanks, everyone. Cody's gonna get his teeth cleaned now. Go along with him. About to do something new. About to do something new. I know I can do it. Hop, skip, jump into it. Let's go. About to do something new.
All right, Cody, we're all set to begin your first teeth cleaning. Open wide, big guy.
What's wrong, sweetie?
My heart's going boomity boomity boom, and my mouth doesn't want to open wide.
Oh, I see. Is your mouth scared?
And I am too.
It's okay to feel a little scared when you're doing something new.
That's right. A lot of kids feel that way at the dentist. Even some grown-ups do, too.
Would it help if you had a friend to hold on to?
Rory!
Think you're ready to let me look at your teeth now?
Maybe.
Boompity boomp, boompity boomp. I feel scared and my heart is racing too.
It'll be okay, let's take a look inside. Make a roar like a dino and open wide. You know, I've got a song that might help you feel better. Open wide and smile. Smile with your teeth. Open wide and smile. It's good to keep them fresh and clean.
I'm still a bit scared. What if I need to ask a question?
Just give me a tappity tap and I'll stop so we can talk.
Tappity tap, tappity tap. What's that you're about to use? It's shiny and sounds funny too.
This tool helps me scrub your teeth. With the vroom, they'll be nice and clean. Open wide and smile. Vroom, vroom. Smile with your teeth. Vroom. Open wide and smile. Vroom, vroom. It's good to keep them fresh and clean.
Tappity tap, tappity tap. What's that thing you're holding? Do it sounds just like a vacuum.
You're right, it acts just like one too. It's a suction tool and it goes whoosh. Open wide and smile. Whoosh, whoosh. Smile with your teeth. Whoosh. Open wide and smile. Whoosh, whoosh. It's good to keep them fresh and clean. There's one more thing that we have to do. Let's polish your teeth and then you're through with an E-E here and an E-E there. One more swish and you can leave the chair. See? That wasn't so bad, was it?
Nope.
Now everyone, sing along with me.
Open wide and smile.
Smile with your teeth. Open wide and smile. It's good to keep them fresh and clean. Everybody loves a smile. It can brighten up the day. So take care of your smile, then put it on display.
My mouth is Ferraris. Thanks, Uncle Ivan.
And for being such a brave patient, you get to pick your very own toothbrush.
Green. Can Rory pick one too? He wants red. Cool. Sparkly Werkly. There was lots of tools that went vroom, just like you said, Bella. Oh, and look what we got to bring home. Toothbrushes. Green for me and red for Rory. Toothbrush. Time to brush your teeth, Rory. Brush, 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 brush. Can I have a turn? Cody liked going to the dentist and got to bring home a green and a red toothbrush. What color toothbrush would you pick? Brush, 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 brush.